This looks like a boutique headband, but it is actually simple Mo stitch in half double crochet. The vine and the flowers completely changes the look. If you need help with the Mo stitch, I linked the tutorial in the description. Get started making this headband. I'm going to make half double crochets instead of single crochet for this Mo stitch pattern. That's why I chained extra 2 stitches after the even number of stitches for the width. So on the third chain from the stitch, I'm going to make 1 half double crochet, then chain 1, skip 1, make another half double crochet and repeat up to the end and ending with the 1 half double crochet, meaning 1 half double crochet in the stitch and 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. I will link the Mo stitch single crochet pattern. I made a scarf with that. I link that pattern to this video in the description. This is the Mo stitch pattern I made for the headband. Now we will make some surface crochet. Bring that loop up to the front. Then we are going to insert the hook in the nearby place. So this is like a windows, so we can go through these open spaces created by the chains. It may not be very straight, but still it is okay, because in nature the vines are not really straight. You can place it some to the off side, like I am placing it to my left side. Then I can go a slightly curved, placing it towards my right side. If you make a sharp turn like this one, from this to this, look what it will look like this, right? So that is not that great for a natural looking leaves and vines going. So we just do a little bit curving, not like a sharp turns. So you go ahead and finish your vines and we will meet in the end. Now my vine is completed. I'm going to I cut the yarn, and this is the last stitch. I'm going to bring it through that loop and tighten. Now that is done. Now we can make some flowers. For the flower, I am going to use on Lydia's size 3 thread and 2mm hook. I'm going to put yarn over my finger, just crossing and holding it as a loop. Then insert the hook. Hold that loop a little big and make chain 1 to lock it. Then we are going to make a 12 single crochet. 2, now you can hold the yarn tail and tighten. Now we can slip stitch and join that circle. Now we can make some petals. So I'm going to make chain 3, then a double crochet in the next stitch. Then I'm going to make 2 more double crochets there, so 3 double crochets in that stitch. Then I'm going to make chain 2 and single crochet in the next stitch. Then I'm going to slip stitch to the next one, chain 3, and going to the next stitch and making 3 double crochet, or you can make the 3 double crochet in the same stitch and chain. Now that 3 double crochets are made in the next stitch, then I'm going to make a chain 2, going to the next stitch and making a single crochet, then 1 2 3, going to the next one, making 3 double crochet. Repeat that one and you will have some petals. Slip stitch with the bottom of this chain 3.